Starting your paint business with less than $100. Yes. Do you think starting a paint business is expensive? What if I told you that you could launch your paint production business with less than $100? That is right. In today's video, I will show you a step-by-step process to start small, grow big, and make your dream of owning a paint business come true without breaking the bank. Stay tuned because I'll also reveal a game changing bonus tip at the end. Hi, I'm Coach Gleaner, founder of Gleaner Artistics, where we teach everything about paint production, color mixing, home improvement, and how to succeed in the paint business. Starting small is not just possible, it is smart, and today I'll show you exactly what you need to get started with a budget of under $100. Let's dive in. First, let's look at what you need and how to get it. Here is the list. 1. Water based emulsion paint material. 1. Water is free. Calcium carbonate 10 kg, $10. Binder 5 kg, $35. Color pigment 200 gram, $5. Thickener 250 gram, $3. Preservative small bottles, $2. Deformer 100 ml, $2. And measuring tools. You can get creative by using what you already have, which are your turning stick, bolts, and measuring cups and your measuring scales. 2, we look into equipment. The equipment you need is plastic bucket, $5. And of course, like I said, wooden stick for mixing, or use any clean stick, which is free. The total cost is just about $62 to $70 depending on your location. You heard me right, depending on your location. If you're not in Nigeria, this will work perfectly well for you. If you're in Nigeria, you already know how to go about the exchange rate of the dollar currency to naira. And you already know that this definitely it's a good production process cost for you. So now you can buy these materials from a wholesale market to save even more. Yes, by the time you buy from a wholesaler, you'll be able to get the chemicals at a cheaper rate. Now that you have your materials, let's get to work. We'll be making 10 liters of water-based emulsion paint, a high demand product in the market. Use a clean, open area. 2. Mix your calcium carbonate and water. That is by adding 6 liters of water into your bucket. Slowly pour in 10 kg of calcium carbonate and stir until smooth. Gradually mix in 5 kg of binder. This is what gives your paint its sticking power. Mix 200 gram of pigment of your choice color. Start with a small amount and adjust as needed. Add 100 ml of deformer to remove bubbles. Very important. Add 250 gram of thickener for consistencies. Stir until the mixture is uniform. Test the paint on the small surfaces. Adjust the color or consistencies if needed. What this simply means is that after your production, you apply your paint on the wall. I usually tell my students to do that. In that process, when the paints get dry, you'll be able to know what are the necessary things you need to improve to make sure the paint comes out well. Congratulations, you have made your first batch of paint. Now let's talk about how to sell it, which is very, very important. 1. Start with small scale projects like homeowners or do-it-yourself enthusiasts by showing them your paint and asking them to have a taste of what your paint product is. 2. Offer free sample. Give away small quantities to local painter to try your product which is word of mouth. You understand? The word of mouth is very powerful. What this simply means is that when you tell someone about your product and you give them a free sample to try this product, you're trying to let them know that you are willing to sell your product to them. Also, create a business page and you post your videos of your paint making process. People love seeing the behind scene journey. Yes, very, very important. You understand. If you're a paint manufacturer, you understand, and you want people to be able to patronize you more, they want to actually see what your product is all about. Even if you don't post the behind scene of how you produce this paint, you can let them to have a look on how your paint looks like by pouring your paint into the bucket. At this stage, you can sell your paint at $10 per liter, making a profit of $30 to $40 from your first badge. Yes, very, very necessary. You can sell it. So as you grow, reinvest your profits to purchase larger quantities of materials and better equipment. This way, you will lower production costs and increase your profit margin, which is one of the business tips I give to my students. You understand? I tell them this from the onset. This is why I say you can actually start a paint manufacturing business right away. The only thing you need is the proper formulation to guide you through. And I'll repeat myself again because this is a bonus tip that I'm giving to you. As you grow, reinvest your profit to purchase larger quantities of materials, which are your chemicals, and better equipment to make your production process easy. In this way, you will lower production costs and increase your profit margin. You lower your production cost and you increase your profit margin. In that way, you'll be able to sell your paint more cheaper than your competitors. If you're serious about starting your paint business, you can join my detailed course from zero to hero in paint production, where I'll teach you advanced technique, branding tips, and sales strategy. Click the link below to learn more and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more business tips and paint production secrets. See you in the next video and bye for now.